Lesson 4.3, Phase 3, Alignment, Problem Solve. Alignment is where the listener's problem awareness and the leader's standard meet. The job of this phase is to land on a shared read of the problem, a shared definition of good, and a clear list of who owns what. Skipping alignment is how feedback conversations end with the listener agreeing in the room and walking out with a different plan. The job of this phase: co-design the problem statement, agree on what fixed looks like, and surface any disagreement before the conversation ends. A disagreement that surfaces in Phase 3 is recoverable. A disagreement that surfaces after the conversation is the survival response you were trying to avoid. The alignment sequence, LSCPA, or listen, share, clarify, problem solve, and ask for action. Step 1. Listen. Demonstrate empathy with active listening. I appreciate that you may be having a conflict with a teammate. Step 2. Share and clarify. Restate what you heard. So what I'm hearing is X, and the part that matters most to you is Y. Is that right? This is the most underused move in leadership. It tells the listener they were actually heard, and it gives them a chance to correct the record before the plan is built on a faulty foundation. It helps provide status from the SCARF model. Step 3. Problem solve. Add what they haven't seen yet. Here's what I see that you might not. This is the only place in the framework where the leader's direct input belongs. It is short, it is specific, and it is offered as an additional lens, not a correction. Step 3. Test the shared picture. If a stranger listened to this conversation, would they say we are aligned? This is the alignment check. If the answer is no or I don't know, you are not done with Phase 3. Step 4. Problem solve together and ask for action. What would you do if you had full ownership of this from here? Or, what's the smallest version of the fix we could do this week to know we are moving? The leader's job is to ask, listen, and add only what the listener has missed. The brain-based reason this phase exists: disagreement is not the enemy of alignment. Unspoken disagreement is. Phase 3 is the place where disagreement is supposed to surface, and surfacing it in a low-threat way is the entire point of the framework. Questions to run, problem solve. What part of this do we still see differently? What would have to be true for you to be all in on this plan? If I owned your half of this, what would you want me to know? What is the one thing we are not saying that we need to say?